physical properties of alcohols and phenols. So first is boiling point. Boiling point of alcohol and phenol are higher in comparison to other classes of compound because OH group, that is hydroxyl group present in alcohol and phenols, is involved in the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The boiling point of alcohol and phenol increases with increase in the number of carbon atom. जितने ज़्यादा carbon atom होंगे उतना ज़्यादा boiling point होगा. Next is solubility of alcohol and phenols. So alcohol and phenols are soluble in water due to their ability to form hydrogen bond with water molecule. The solubility of alcohol decreases with increase in the size of alkyl aryl group, that is hydrophobic group. Hydrophobic means वाटर की एलर्जी. सो अगर हाइड्रोफोबिक ग्रुप अगर मॉलिक्यूल में प्रेजेंट होंगे तो सोल्युबिलिटी ऑब्वियस है कि डिक्रीज होगी. नेक्स्ट वन इज द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अल्कोहल. अल्कोहल एग्जिबिट ए वाइड रेंज ऑफ स्पॉन्टेनियस केमिकल रिएक्शन ड्यू टू द क्लीवेज ऑफ कार्बन ऑक्सीजन बॉन्ड एंड कार्बन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. सम प्रोमिनेंट केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ अल्कोहल्स आर, फर्स्ट इज रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्विंग क्लीवेज ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड, in which we are going to see alcohol react as a nucleophile. First is reaction with metals. As you can see, two molecules of hydrogen going to react with two molecules of sodium, we get sodium alkoxide plus H2. Second one is esterification reaction. So what is meant by esterification reaction? Esterification is the general name for a chemical reaction in which two reactant, that is alcohol and acid, going to react and form ester. Third one is the reaction with hydrogen halide. Alcohol plus HX. What is HX? X is halide. That's why we are taking here hydrogen halide. HX is the hydrogen halide. In the presence of concentrated HCl plus ZnCl2, zinc chloride. This is Lucas reagent. We get RX, alkyl halide plus H2O. Next, alcohol in the presence of acidified potassium permanganate gives carboxylic acid. So these are the chemical properties of alcohol. Next one is the chemical properties of phenols. First is reaction with metals. These reactions are same as in the alcohol. So first is reaction with metals. यहाँ पे 2 molecules phenols के लिए है plus 2 molecules metal के लिए, मतलब सोडियम के लिए. So we get sodium phenoxide, 2 molecules. यहाँ पे हमने H को बाहर निकाल के बस यहाँ पे Na लगाया, सोडियम लगाया है. नेक्स्ट इज एस्टरिफिकेशन रिएक्शन. ये फिनॉल प्लस एसिड लिया है अभी. सो एसिड लिया है तो हमें यहाँ से H2O को बाहर निकालना है. सो वी गेट दिस. यहाँ पे H2O के यहाँ पे COOH की जगह यहाँ पे COCl लिया है, क्लोराइड लिया है. सो अभी हमें यहाँ से HCl को बाहर निकालना है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ पेरिडीन. फिनॉल इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ जिंक डस्ट गेट्स बेंजीन. These are the chemical properties of phenols. Acidic nature of phenol and alcohol. Phenol is more acidic than H2O, primary alcohol, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Why the phenol is more acidic than alcohol? The alkyl groups present in the alcohol is an electron releasing group, or it has electron releasing inductive effect, that is plus I effect, due to which the electron density on oxygen increases. The electron density on oxygen increases. This decreases the polarity of OH bond and hence the acidic strength decreases. In the phenol, the hydroxyl group is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene ring. As you can see, this is the sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene ring, which act as an electron withdrawing group, whereas in alcohol, the hydroxyl group is attached to the alkyl group, which has electron releasing inductive effect. So अभी तक हमने पढ़ा है स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फिनॉल एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अल्कोहल. सो ये लास्ट है स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ईथर्स. ईथर्स का जनरल फॉर्मूला होता है ROR. R मतलब एनी अल्काइल और अरिल ग्रुप. सो यहाँ पे CH3 जैसे लिया है. Ethers are a class of organic compound that contain an oxygen between two alkyl group. As you can see, oxygen between two alkyl group. These are alkyl group and oxygen is sp3 hybridized here. Next, preparation of ethers. First is from alcohol. So अल्कोहल से हमें ईथर बनाना है तो हमें ये कैटलिस्ट यूज करने पड़ेंगे जैसे H2SO4 और H3PO4 इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ टेम्परेचर 143 केल्विन. नेक्स्ट इज फ्रॉम अल्काइल हैलाइड एंड सोडियम अल्कोक्साइड. इसमें हमें कैटलिस्ट यूज करना पड़ेगा विल्किंसन्स सिंथेसिस. Here the alkyl halide should be primary and alkoxide should be tertiary. In case of aromatic ether, the aromatic part should be with phenoxide ion. The physical properties of ethers. First is miscibility. So what is meant by miscibility? Is the property of two substances to mix in all proportions forming a homogeneous mixture, that is equal mixture. Miscibility of ethers with water resembles those of alcohols of the same molecular mass. This is due to the fact that just like alcohols, oxygen of ether can also form hydrogen bond with water molecules. In the structure you can see the hydrogen bonding of ethers and water molecules. These are the two water molecules. Next one is the boiling point. Ethers have much lower boiling point than alcohols. This is due to the presence of hydrogen bonding in alcohol. Hydrogen bonding is absent in ethers, as you can see. Chemical properties of ethers. It includes cleavage of CO bond in ethers. We are taking here ether plus HX, that is halide, hydrogen halide. We get alkyl halides plus alcohol. Alkyl halide formed is always the lower alkyl group. Next is electrophilic substitution reaction in aromatic ethers. These are the resonating structures of ethers.